Hello everyone, back with another off-campus drive that is from Residio. So let's see all these details in this particular video. So if you just see this page, there is no detailed matter in this particular page. As if now they have given an indirect matter, which means the job category considered as software engineer. So in this particular software engineering, you will be having some basic things to be known whenever you apply to any like software engineer positions. So I have given all these points in this particular notepad page, so please make sure you will be listening to all these things right now. Don't miss this, because if you miss this, also if you apply, if you don't meet the eligibility criteria, then you will not get any online assessment. So let's see, the job role is a software engineer, as it is an software engineering category. You will be having an software engineer, as well as the job location is in Karnataka. So the next one is they have given the address of this particular location, and you should be applying on or before 2nd of July. The job schedule, which means that you will be having an full-time employment, it is not an internship. And then coming to the degree level, which is an indirect way they have given, like you need to have 4 years of college, which means BTech people can eligible for this. So let's see some detailed points in this particular off-campus drive that I have noted up here. So you should be having a bachelor's degree, as they have mentioned 4 years college must be, and then you need to have an high level language knowledge. Okay, if you have like C, C++, Java, Python, these are all high level programming languages, right? If you have knowledge, it will be an added advantage. As it is in software engineer, you must know programming language, that is also only high level languages will be an added advantage. And coming to the next one, you must be from the reputed colleges, as well as from the streams computer science, ECE, EEE or ENC. Okay, from these particular branches can be applied, or else civil and mechanical people can also apply if you have at least a basic knowledge on programming skills. Okay, and then you need to have a knowledge in microprocessor or microcontrollers. A basic knowledge is enough in all these things, and also you need to have basic knowledge in operating systems, and also you should be willing to work as team or learn new things. Okay, you should be working as a team, and also you should be learning new things. Okay, so this is main important thing, and you need to have analytical and problem solving skills. Very important is you need to be from BTech, and you need to have some high level programming languages knowledge. Okay, so that is most important. And then just click on apply now. You will be moving to another page to create your account. After creating your account, they will be asking few details to apply for this drive. So I'll be coming back after creating an account. After creating your account, you will be getting this page. So you have some information to fill, like first name, last name, and the address that you wanted to fill. After filling up all these details, I'll be back right now. And yes, I'm back by filling this particular form. At the end, you need to upload your resume. Make sure you're giving your resume in PDF format only. I'm telling you in every video, please give your resume in PDF format only. And then they asked for a link. If you have any social media links, you can give it. As I have an YouTube channel, so I have given it. And then click on the 2 check boxes, give your signature, and then submit. So the application form will be submitting for few seconds. It will be taking for few seconds, and you will be getting further details to your email. So they have asked for the verification code. If you verify it, it will be done. So that's all about this session. Hope it is helpful. If you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.